Hey, how's it going, everybody? I wanted to make a video showing you all how to access your individual app notifications on your apps, on your Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now, we all know we can come over here, you can go to settings, tap on notifications, and you'll see app notifications right there. You can mess around in here and do things that you got to do, right? And you can pick most recent, frequently, all that. Okay, y'all get it. So, one of the things that I like to do because I find it quicker, and I'm all about customizing things my own way, right? For example, YouTube Music. Now, if you want to access individual notification settings, press and hold on the app, and you're going to see like that circle. It's going to say app info. Tap on that right there, and you're going to be greeted with this. So what you want to do, tap on notifications, and you're going to see all of these things that you can mess around with right there. I have all of mine. This is the funny thing, right? I have notifications turned on for YouTube Music, and I have notifications turned off for Facebook. I mean, it's go figure, right? So you can see where my priorities are at. But that's the whole point. You can individually manage things like this. So for example, say you wanted to come over here and you wanted to do the same on YouTube, right? YouTube can get kind of wild. So app info, go to notifications. Now, if you turn this on, you are going to see all of that. And that's cool, but I don't think YouTube needs to be that serious. And that, it's just, look, I'm always on YouTube anyway. So if I want to go on there, I'm going to see what I'm going to see anyway. I don't need to get notifications from, people I already, anyway. Next, Facebook. Now I want to show you guys something here. We're going to press and hold on Facebook. Now I want to tap on app info. I'm going to go to notifications. All right, here we are. I didn't want to put myself on blast there. And there we are. Now you're going to see all of that right there. Facebook's no joke. So I basically recommend that you keep your Facebook notifications turned off unless you're making money on Facebook. Then that's a perfect reason to have it turned on, okay? Now, you can also come over here and you can also go to your do not disturb settings. Let me check something. I want to press hold. I went to my do not disturb. I just wanted to make sure I'm not putting anybody on blast. Go to your do not disturb settings, and you can actually manage a lot of notifications like this, or or just be like me, turn on do not disturb, and you're not going to get any notifications. All right, so you'll be good to go there. All right, but in do not disturb, you can manage what people can send you notifications, what apps can send you. Let me see. Let me tap on mine real fast. Oh, wow. So I'm pretty certain that let me come over here. Yeah, my alarm clock should be, I shouldn't, it probably already is, probably by default or something. I'll look into that later. But anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Thank all of you for watching, and I will catch all of you in the next one. Take care.